Hi there. Let's have a look at some problems involving straight angles. So we're just going to do two questions here, example one. First things first, what is a straight angle? Well, a straight angle is simply a straight line. If I was just going to explain it here, if you draw a straight line, but imagine that you're starting from a single point in the center, drawing a ray here and a ray that way in opposite directions, so they actually make a straight line, hence it's called a straight angle, and you're going to have 180 degrees on this side. Okay, that's going to be a 180 degree angle, and actually it's going to work on both sides. On the other side, it's also going to be 180 degrees. Adding them together, giving you one full revolution of 360 degrees. Okay, so every time you have a straight line with a point, it's like you've got two straight angles, 180 degrees each. So let's use that to solve these questions here. Okay, we're going to find the variable. So we're going to find x here. Where is the straight line? I haven't really labeled it, but hopefully you can see that this line here is a straight line. Okay, and we can think of it as a point here and a ray coming off here. So that's 180 degrees. And this also is 180 degrees. So these two angles here, 31 degrees and x degrees, make up 180 degrees. Okay, they add up to 180. And when two angles, or two or more angles, add up to a total of 180, we say that those angles are supplementary. And that's not to be confused with complementary. Remember, supplementary, straight, a straight line, 180 degrees. Complementary, corner, okay, a corner, it looks like 90 degrees. So to solve this, we make a simple equation. 31 degrees plus x degrees is going to equal 180 degrees. Like that. We can then take off the degree symbols here. Just cross that off, okay, and rewrite it as 31 plus x equals 180. Well, let's solve this. X equals 180. I like to do it this way lately. We've got plus 31. When it jumps over to the other side, it's going to become minus 31. So we're going to do that subtraction. 180 minus 31. 0 minus 1 can't do. 8 becomes 7. Carry 1 back. 10 minus 1 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. 1. X equals 149. So 149 is the number that goes in here under that degrees sign. So we don't say x is 149 degrees. We simply say x is 149 for this question here. Okay, so this missing angle here, x degrees, is going to be the obtuse angle, 149 degrees. Let's move on to B, a slightly harder one. All right, so where is the straight angle here? Hopefully you can see that it's here. That's 180. So on the other side, we're also going to have 180 degrees here as well, 180. But where we got y and we got 2y minus 15, what's this one here? Well, hopefully you recognize that little box shape. That means a 90 degree angle is what is found inside that angle there. Okay, so that's 90 degrees. So these three angles here are supplementary. So we're going to make an equation, add them together, and they will equal 180 degrees total. Okay, like that. And we can just get rid of these degree symbols again. And we'll just cancel that away. And we'll rewrite that without the degree symbols. Y plus 90 plus 2y minus 15 equals 180. So to solve this equation, let's collect the like terms. Y plus 2y is 3y. 90 minus 15 is 75 plus 75 equals 180. 3y equals 180 plus 75 coming over here is going to be minus 75. 3y equals 180 minus 75 is 105. We're going to divide by 3 here on both sides. Is 105 divisible by 3? Do you know the trick? Add the digits. 5 plus 0 plus 1 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3, so 105, the original number, must be divisible by 3. This is going to work and give no remainder. 1000% certain. 3 into 10 can't go. 3 3s are 9. With a remainder 1, 3 5s are 15. So cancelling the 3's, y is going to be 35. Done. What can you do to check if you're not sure? If you don't believe me? Do you believe me? Yeah, well, I have faith, but I'll check anyway. So y is 35. So this means that this is going to be 35 degrees here. That's easy. This one's 90. 2y minus 15, if y is 35, 2y is 70. 70 minus 15 is going to be 55 degrees. So are these three angles supplementary? Let's add them and check. 35 plus 90 plus 55. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry the 1. 3 and 1 is 4, plus 9 is 13, 13 plus 5 is 18. 180, looks good to me. Are you feeling confident with straight angles now? I hope so. It's now your turn. Please try example 2 here. So 2 questions here, A and B. Like before, a simpler one where you've got 2 angles that are supplementary. Got to find out what x is. And over here, what is y? You have 2y, 3y plus 7, and 58. Okay, all angles in degrees. Can you find x and y? First thing you got to do is identify the straight angle. Okay, can you see which one's a straight angle? And then know which ones to add to give 180? In the second one, check your y value. Do the 3 angles add up to 180 like they should? Once you find x and y, please put your answers in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.